2008 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, CD changer, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.